Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play UEFN sessions with friends. First, launch Fortnite and select the Creative mode. Then, choose your UEFN project from the My Projects tab. It is crucial to ensure your project's privacy settings are either public or unlisted, so your friends can easily find and join your custom island. This initial setup takes only a few moments. Once your UEFN project is loaded, open the social menu in Fortnite. This menu displays your entire friends list. Carefully select the friends you want to invite to your unique UEFN island. Then, send them direct game invitations. They will receive an in-game notification, allowing them to join your session quickly. This step ensures everyone gets to play together. After you send the invitations, your friends will receive an in-game notification. They simply need to accept this invitation to join your active UEFN session. It is important that all players have the most recent version of Fortnite installed to avoid any compatibility issues. This ensures a smooth and seamless connection for everyone joining your custom island. With all your friends successfully connected to your UEFN island, the host can now officially start the game. Navigate to the Creative Island menu and select the option to begin the experience. You are now ready to enjoy your custom-built UEFN world together. Have fun exploring, creating, and playing in your unique environment with your entire group.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.